Hi guys, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed. I really appreciate that. So today we're going to clean the dining area. It's like my formal dining area. It's been a while since I cleaned it. It's close to the door, as you can see. All the boxes end up there, all the packages, and also my children do their homeworks there, plus the meal. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take out all the decorations and just give it a good clean and vacuum and then redecorate. I might use the same things or not, I'm not sure, but you're so welcome. A little bit about me. I am married and a mom of 3, and when we got this house I just went to the store and bought stuff without thinking things through. And where I'm at in this like in my life right now, I'm really enjoying redecorating my house, cleaning and organizing. I'm learning a lot. I'm listening to a lot of YouTube videos from the OGs of home decor and organization. So just hanging with me, learn. I'm hoping to learn from you guys, and whatever I learn, I'm gonna share over here. And you'll see a lot of changes coming soon. Small small things at a time throughout my house. Right now, I'm just beginning, and my house is not perfect, but we'll get there. We'll get there. So I'm still trying to figure out what my aesthetic is. I love organic, modern organic. It's beautiful, and I also love the glam style. So I don't know what I really am into, but you'll see a mix of those. I don't know if it's okay to mix, but I think I'm mixing. I don't know, but yeah, you're welcome. Just keep watching, and thank you. I'm sorry about that, guys. So just to ask, where do you keep your decor? Because I put mine on my sideboard next to the dining room, and I don't know if that's where I should be keeping them, but that's where I find it's closer, like my decor, my table, mats, and rings and stuff like that. So that's where I'm putting, and you cannot see from this angle. I didn't realize until I was done. Oh, and there it is. Now it's moving the table, which is so heavy, and I tried to look if my hubby was around, but he had just left. So I'll just try to put it by myself, and yeah, just keep watching, and yeah. So here I'm just using Lysol. I think there's some like table cleaning stuff that I'm supposed to be using. I need to look into that. I just use Lysol and a wet damp cloth to clean my table. Well, and it has a lot of marks because my kids do their schoolwork here. One time my daughter was doing her nail on the table and just spilled her the alcohol on it, and it really messed it up. But I look at it as a blessing that I can have a table and kids to sit on it. So it's not perfect, but I love it.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down.
For carpet cleaning, I like to use this Hammer carpet cleaning. It's like baking soda or powder. I love the smell of it, and I don't use it all the time, but it's been a while since I vacuumed I devacuumed my carpet in that area. We have like a robot that vacuums almost every day out around the house. So I really find myself not vacuuming the areas that are really we don't see it a lot. So you can even see my vacuum is those ones that have cords. I don't see the point of investing in like a cordless one because my house is always vacuumed by the iRobot. But I think I should look into it with all the messes making. Look at me holding up to the cord. So embarrassing, but hey. Yeah, I love the smell of that cleaning powder. Just you need to try it. It is so cool. Or you can use baking soda, and I love lavender when I put on baking soda. I usually use that on mattresses, but for the carpet I use this, and it just makes it smell so good and refreshing. I don't know. I love this mirror right here. I wonder if I should put like a table with decor on it. I love the minimalist look of it. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, because it's like a thing I like minimal, and sometimes I like a little bit more, but I'm not sure what I should do or just leave it. And I love it like that, but sometimes I wonder if it's still a good idea to, because it's just the entrance. After you get into the door, you just see the mirror and the dining on your right. So over here I'm making a linen spray. I like using a homemade linen spray, so I can spray it on my curtains. I spray it on my floor plants, and like even on the seats, on the covers of the seats. So what I do, I just add 1 cup of water, half cup of witch hazel. You can use rubbing alcohol, but witch hazel is more potent than rubbing alcohol. And then after you add your witch hazel, you add 10 drops of lavender essential oils, or whatever essential oils that you like. I just love the calming effect of lavender, and it's not too strong on my nose. Also, just shake it away and just spray away, and it smells so good, so good. Try and let me know in the comments if you've done this before, or there's other formulas to do this. So over here I decided to reuse my stems. I just love the vibrant color of autumn. I really wanted to go neutral, but I was like, I need the orange. I need all the fall that there is to have in my house. And I loved those stems, so I'm just redoing it, using mostly the same things that I had before, and just adding a few several ones. And I'm just gonna make it simple, not too much, just easy. I'm just also gonna use a simple tray. Trays are so cool because you just put your stuff in there and it doesn't look all disorganized. Just add your coffee mugs and little pumpkins and a candle, and I just love the simplicity of it. Oh, and also we cannot forget our throw blankets. I love throw blankets. I love this burnt orange color. I bought this off of Amazon. Actually, it was like what, $20, and I just love the complete look of it. And to complete our cleaning, we're just gonna light up a candle. I love candles so much. And that's it, guys. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and that's it. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys.